Hi guys, I'm here to create a quick everyday makeup look using very minimal products. I'm gonna start off with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to cover my under eye circles, a little bit on my nose, and on the areas where I have dark spots. Now I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. Using the Miniso brush, I'm going to start off by applying some neutral colored eyeshadow on my crease and then use it on my lower lash line as well. Now using an angular brush, I'm going to take black shimmer eyeshadow and use it as a liner. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Mascara on my eyelashes and I'm going to use it on my lower lash line as well. I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Also, I'm gonna use the highlighter a little bit on the tip of my nose. I'm using a nude lipstick to contour my face. I'm using the same lipstick on my lips. This is the Maybelline Nude Ones. Now I'm gonna apply some blush on my cheeks. And this is the final look, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.